Will my insurance cover my foundation repairs? Your insurance agent comes to check out the crack in your basement wall. They inform you your concern is not covered. You think to yourself, why do I pay homeowners insurance? That thought would enter my mind as well. While homeowners insurance offers peace of mind, it usually only covers acts of nature. Stay tuned to hear the best practices if you have foundation concerns. Hi, I'm Nolan and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I began working full-time at AccuLevel in 2013. In this video, I'll go over how much do foundation repairs cost, is there anything that could be covered by my insurance, and what should I do if I have foundation concerns. How much do foundation repairs cost? This is such a great question and a very common question that we get. However, it's a very difficult question for me to be able to answer, sitting here without looking at your home. Now, generally, home foundation repairs do not cost just a few $100s. They usually range from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on the situation. Now, what we have to take in consideration is how much of the foundation needs repaired, how bad is it, and so we can better determine the solutions for your home. Very rarely do we see insurance actually cover the repair of your foundation. When we do see it happen, it's usually because the foundation settlement or the slab settlement was directly caused because of a plumbing or a sewer leak. Now, what an insurance company sometimes will help you cover is if you've had water in your basement and it's damaged drywall, carpet, any of your personal goods. They'll usually help in replacing those things, but they will not actually help pay for the solution and the fix of why your basement actually flooded. The number one step is to call a foundation expert. Call us here at AccuLevel, have one of our project advisors come out to take a look and see how extensive is it. Don't be afraid that the number's too big. What we see is the longer you wait, the worse it gets. And not always just with the foundation, but the things around your foundation, the things that are affected by the settlement or the movement of your foundation, such as windows, doors, drywall, your floors in your home. Those are the things that can also be affected if you continue to let the foundation problems go without tackling them with a long-term solution. If you have issues with your crawl space or foundation, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about what insurance will cover with your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second, hit that like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.